The governor has been on a statewide tour to mark the 5-year anniversary of Louisiana's bipartisan criminal justice reform package.
It took effect back in November of 2017, but who are the people behind the numbers and the politicians' talk who've actually benefited from this? Our Lester Dewey is looking into that for us. Lester.
Yeah, guys, Christy Cherami was sentenced to life in prison at the age of 16, but with help from the criminal justice reform package and other Supreme Court cases, she's now turned her life around for the better. 44-year-old Christy Cherami is living her second chance. Once locked up, she's now opening up new doors for others at the Louisiana Parole Project.
So don't ever put yourself in a situation where it's going to just one moment can cost you the rest of your life.
She's talking about this moment back in 1994 when Christy was just 16 years old. She was with her boyfriend when he killed one of his family members right in front of her.
I knew that he was going to take money, but never did I expect him to kill his aunt. And I live with that.
Because she was present during the deadly stabbing, Christy was convicted of second-degree murder and was sentenced to life in prison.
I never got a chance to experience prom, going to school dances, getting my driver's license for the first time. There was a lot that I hadn't ever got a chance to do.
Christy says she wasn't listening to her parents at the time and was making stupid decisions.
But for 25 years, I dealt with the fact that my mom tried to tell me, but it was too late. There was nothing that I can do to change it. It was already done. My life, I was dying in prison, and there was nothing I could do about it because I didn't listen.
But after the Supreme Court decision that changed life sentences for juveniles in the criminal justice reform package passed by Louisiana lawmakers back in 2017, Christy was given another chance. She was granted parole in January of 2019 after serving 25 years.
They came home the day before I did, and this is...
Christy urges troubled teens to be careful with the company they keep.
Do your best to surround yourself with positive people. Don't ever put yourself in a situation where it could lead into a worse situation, and that right there can cause, because it's only going to take one moment to ruin your life.
While she'll never get the time she served back, Christy is now thriving at the Parole Project, looking to make a difference in other people's lives.
And I may never be able to make up for everything that I lost, and I'll never gain those days back, but I'll make the best of every day that I have for the rest of my life.
Even if the criminal justice reform package passed with bipartisan support, not everyone is a fan. On a radio show earlier this week, Attorney General Jeff Landry called it, quote, probably one of the most failed policies the state has ever embarked upon. Greg and Liz.